Getting the call failed error on WhatsApp during calls on your iPhone? It might be network issues, app glitches, or incorrect settings. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the call failed problem on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before we start, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then make sure to have a stable internet connection. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check whether you're blocked or not. First, open up the WhatsApp app, tap chats from below. Now here, find the contact that you want to check. If you notice a contact's profile picture is not showing or grayed out, or hasn't changed the profile picture for a long time, or after sending a message, you're seeing one gray check mark next to your message, this means the message was sent but not delivered. Then it could be a sign that you're blocked. If you're not blocked, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload WhatsApp app. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. And if you have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your call failed error on WhatsApp during calls on your iPhone is solved by now. If you have any kind of questions, then feel free to write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.